Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create an account on Fortnite. The first thing you do is, from your previous browser, in the search bar, you can just type create Fortnite account. And then, as you can see, for you to create a Fortnite account, you need to first of all go to epicgames.com/register. epicgames.com/register. So here it is, click on it. So here we are to enter our date of birth. Okay. We already have an account, simply click on sign in, but what we don't, so we're trying to create one. So let's say this is our date of birth. Then we click on continue. So now we need to fill in the fields for this online form. Let's say this is our email, which is the other one. Then fill in the first name. And the last name. Then we choose the display name we want to show. So this one is already in use, so we have to add something. Okay, invalid format. Was already in use. Anyway, this particular display has not been used. Okay, since we are good with this one, then you put in a password. So after putting my password, the next thing we're going to do, you can choose for you to get new surveys, but this is compulsory. You have to click on this, that you've read and agreed to. That you have read and agreed to the terms of service. If you want to see the terms of service, simply click on this terms of service, and then we're through that. So we're through that. Next thing I'm going to do, click on continue. The assumption click on element is different. You want to prove that you're human, click on next. Click on verify. So to complete the account setup, you need to verify your email. So please check your email and then enter the security code. So we need to enter the security code. For example, so we have to go to our email. I'm doing that on my phone. But you can simply do it on your laptop. So I'm doing that on my phone. So you go to email. And then the message will pop up and you see a verification code. Alright. So we've seen our verification code. So the next thing I'm going to put in Then click on verify email. And that's it. That is all it takes to create a Fortnite account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.